Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you, my friend?
Alhamdulillah, and you?
MashaAllah, I'm also good.
I want to know something from you.
Sure, what's that?
What's your aim in life?
I want to become a computer engineer
But why?
because I think it's more suitable for me.
How? Please let me know.
As you know that it is an age of information, technology, science and communication.
Yes, it is sure.
Now tell me, what's your aim in life?
I wanna become president of my country.
President? How surprising it is.
Why surprising? Isn't it possible?
It seems impossible.
But I don't think so.
Let it be. Why do you want to become a president of your country?
Actually, my aim is to eliminate corruption from my country.
Is our country corrupted?
Yes, corruption is verified in every single body to all institutes, which hurts me a lot.
Okay, will you follow any leader?
Yes, I follow Erdogan.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you for your good wishes.